Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm going to show you the shea butter that I've just ordered. It is quite sunny today, so this is what is like the natural light, and I also wanted the natural light without any filters or me adjusting anything so that you can see what my skin is like, because I have been using shea butter for more than 5 years now, I would say, and I've been using this brand for the last 8 months, I would say. So this is called Fresh Skin. I don't think you can get it on Amazon. I'm not being sponsored by this company, by the way. I just really love the shea butter. So this is the Fresh Skin shea butter. I have made a video on shea butter before and the benefits. I'm going to link that above if you want to check it out, and I talk about why I use it, why I love it, and I put links to the shea butter that I was using previously. I'm going to talk about that in a little bit anyway, but yeah, so this is my skin. I've just turned 39 years old and I do have some fine lines, yeah, and some wrinkles, but I've never had Botox or anything like that on my face. Yeah, but I just, honestly, anyone who knows me, they'll know that I'm absolutely obsessed with organic unrefined shea butter. So this is what I've got here. I'm just going to tell you the price if it's on here, because I can't remember how much I paid. £8.95, but there's 1 kg's worth here. So this will last me and my family for at least 6 months. So I'm not sure how much face creams cost, because like I said, I have not used face creams in a long time. I use this on my scalp, I use it on my face, hands, body, at night time. Ryan uses it on his body as well. It's really good for like nappy rash, if you have like breakouts of eczema, but I'm not an expert or anything like that. This is just for informational purposes only. So if you are thinking about using shea butter, then go and do your own research, because I do know that some people have made some videos on YouTube and they've tried even just a tiny bit of shea butter and it's brought them out in acne. But then on the health line it says that it can be good for treating acne. With me, I've never had a breakout. It's not made my skin really oily or anything. It's made my skin super moisturized, and I think that's down to the fatty acids that's in it. Apparently, like, it balances it out on your skin. Really good for treating fine lines, like I said. I'm going to put here loads of information from the health line, and you can check that out for yourself if you like. So I think it's 22 things that it's good for. It's full of vitamin E, and I think it's got anti-inflammatory properties as well. It's just amazing. I really love it. I know a lot of face creams do have shea butter in anyway, but I just like using the pure stuff. So like I said, I don't use any other face creams. I only use this, and I use a concealer around my eyes because I've got quite big bags sometimes with having 3 small children, and also I use concealer to cover up a fatty eye deposit that I used to have. There's like a scar there, so I use concealer for that. But usually in the summer I don't really tend to need to wear any makeup because I feel like my skin tone is like more even. But in these wintry months on this side of the world, like I'm on the Isle of Man, I just feel like I need to have a little bit of makeup just to give me like a little bit of colour. So this is what it looks like, and it's solid. So if it's really warm, it might start to melt. If it's really cold, it can be hard to get it out. But usually what I'll do sometimes is I'll put it in a smaller container, and then I'll just keep like filling that container up, or I just use it straight out of that. So like I said, it's quite hard right now. It's got a really nice smell to it. So I literally just get like some out like that, and if you rub it in between your hands, it will melt easily. So my kids, they get some, put it on the skin in the morning, and I just put it on my skin like this. And then, like, I've already got some on now, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I really like, because my skin's quite dry, I just really love putting this on, and I feel like it's so easy for my makeup to be applied to it. Like, if I go in now and put powder on over this, it won't be like blotchy or anything like that. If you'd like me to make a video where I'm showing you how I do my makeup, but I literally only take about 5 minutes to do my makeup, I'm not very knowledgeable when it comes to makeup either, so yeah. So this is what I do, and then I put a lot around my eyes because I do tend to get I won't say dryness, but it's just more prominent around my eyes, like the fine lines. Like, I ran out of shea, but I've been waiting for 2 weeks for this to come, and I started using some raw cocoa butter. Like, they look like little buttons, and I love the smell of it, but it's just not got the moisture that this has, and it's just so nice on your hands. If you get chapped hands or cold hands, it's brilliant for that. When I was pregnant, I used to put it on my belly. Apparently it's good for stretch marks as well, and for dry scalps. I have used it on Micah's teething rash before. I think I've got a video on that which I'll link above if you want to check that out, and also on our dry scalps as well. And you can make face masks with it. There's just so many different uses, but like I was saying, I'm going to link everything below, all the benefits and things like that. But on the Healthline website, one of the there's a study which suggests that it is antibacterial, that it's an antioxidant, and it's anti-inflammatory. It won't make your skin oily. Shea butter contains high levels of I don't even know how you pronounce that, linolic. Shea butter contains high levels of linoleic acid and oleic acid. These two acids balance each other out. This means shea butter is easy for your skin to absorb, and won't make your makeup look oily afterwards. That's what I was saying before. When I put it on, it doesn't make my makeup look oily after. It's like my skin just sucks it up and just makes it feel absolutely amazing. I never really get spots either with it, no breakouts or anything like that. It's just really amazing. Also, I was surprised it's a natural SPF. It's only like a 3 or 4, but still it's better than nothing. Yeah, so it's moisturising because of the shea's fatty acid content, and buying shea butter that's raw and unrefined also helps more of your purchase count towards supporting a community that actually harvests and grows shea nuts. You can go a step further by purchasing grade A shea butter that's labelled fair trade. And then on here, it's got a few products that support the West African communities producing most of the world's shea tree nut. So I've never seen that before, so I'm definitely going to look into that. And yeah, so I never knew about that. About if I can order like direct from a community or something like that, that would be brilliant. So this, I'm assuming that this is grade A, but it doesn't say. I know it's organic and unrefined, and it's not tested on animals. So yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna leave. I got this off eBay, but they do have their own website, so I'm gonna put their details down below if you want to check them out. And the other shea butter that I used to use, I'm gonna put that down as well. I like them. I like the shea butter that I used to use. I think it's really moisturising, but I don't know, it had like a really weird smell, and I've been doing research on it, and some people have said if it's got a weird smell, that's a good sign that it's working, like it's got really good benefits. And then other people have said that it's off. So I just really didn't like the weird smell that it had, and that's why I stopped using that shea butter. And then I found this one which was a similar price, and that's the reason why I got this one, and I am really liking it.